Today we have the Memorial Day sale or the ad at Lowe's. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this. Make to review videos. That's the way YouTubers platform by subscribers and likes. Alright, so we're here at the Memorial Day. It says jump into summer with savings. We're just gonna go over the tools. I know there's a lot of good stuff here, but this is the tool channel, so we're gonna be focusing on the tools. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. It's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, we got the hose here. It's a 5/8 by 50 feet, $19.98. It says heavy duty, so I don't know if this is the rubber, the kink free. The kink free and the rubbers are usually the better ones. The ones that are like plasticky and thin rubber, those suck basically. I don't know if that's worth it or not. You got the Greenworks 2000 psi, 1.1 gallons per minute, or yeah. Electric pressure washer, surface cleaner, $169. You got the Craftsman 140cc 21-inch push gas lawnmower, $249. Got some grills here. It's a good value here. The Charboil Performance 5-burner gas, $188. That's a nice. Nothing on the top. You got a bunch of plants. Excuse me. Bunch of plants. You got some a reel, $36.98. All right. Let's see what we got to the right. You got some pavers, patio stone. Alright, you got a King Combo 2.0 Pro 6 feet in 3-in-1 aluminum step ladder, 300-pound load capacity, $154 from Little Giant. To tell the truth, that seems a little pricey there. Nothing here. You got a storage here, 50-gallon Stony Resign deck box, $89. Got an Anket Spiel Pergola canopy, 10 by 12 feet metal gazebo there. Alright, let's go down here. You got some more grills here. Definitely check them out. Some good ones here. Alright, so we got some power equipment here. Alright, so we got the Eagle has a new home. It says rated battery, #1 rated powered platform, now available in the #1 retail outdoor power equipment, based on 2020 dollar share data. Alright, we got the Eagle mower starting at $399. So that's basically for a basic mower. You got the Eagle blower starting at $159. You got the Eagle chainsaw starting at $219. So they don't have any prices for this. It's just the sales that they have. Alright, so we got the Cobalt 40 volt max, $50 off. Select Cobalt 40 volt max outdoor power tools. You got the blower here. You got the string trimmer combo with one battery and a charger. It does include a 4 amp hour battery and a charger, $179. And then you got the lawnmower here. It's a 40 volt 20-inch deck with brushless cordless push mower. It includes 5 amp hour battery and a charger, so $249. Guys, this is a really good deal. If you got a medium yard, smaller yard, this is gonna work great for you. Just keep in mind that 40 volt is not as strong as 80 volt. So if you let that grass grow, you're going to have a hard time with this little mower. Just keep that in mind. If you do maintenance, every 2 weeks, every week, you cut your lawn, you should be fine. Alright, so you got the Craftsman 27cc 2-cycle, 18-inch cut gas string trimmer, $179. You got $309, 150cc 21-inch Kelso propelled front wheel drive gas lawnmower. You got a 3000 psi 2.3 gallons per minute pressure washer, $279, was $329 I guess. You got a 3000 psi 2.4 gallons per minute pressure washer, I don't know what the difference is. Obviously the gallon per minute, that's the only difference here. So I would just definitely go for that if this is just about the same. You got a 3,300 psi, 2.4 gallons per minute pressure washer, $399. Then you got a 1900 psi, 1.2 gallons per minute pressure washer, $129. You know, even something like this for washing the car. Even this was, hey, this is a great deal here for 79 bucks. You know, just obviously it does have the attachments there. You can put different attachments. 79 bucks for 1700 psi. Do apologize for that. But yeah, 1700 psi, 1.2 gallons per minute. Very similar to the Ryobi. Definitely check it out. I think that's a great value there. If I were to buy one, I would definitely go for that one because, you know, for washing a car, I don't think you need 3000 psi. You know, that's just way too much, and you're gonna mess up the paint. You're gonna start flicking it off. All right, so here we got a vacuum here. It seems you gotta buy a Craftsman B20 cordless stick vac and get a free battery. I guess 2 amp hour battery, $169.99. So you do get a battery with this $149 the vacuum. All right, you got some more vacuums here to the left. Like I said, we're our tool channel, so we're just gonna go over the tools. Let's see what else we got. Nothing on this page. Nothing on that page. Nothing on this page. It seems like that's the end. All right, guys, so that's the end. Mostly outdoor power tools, power equipment, according to this flyer. Definitely check it out. There's a lot of good deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.